As promised, let me show you how to make this baby AI dancing video for free using another AI tool that is not clean. Let's jump right into the video. To create an AI baby dancing video, all you need to do is to go to your browser, go to Chrome and type in one.video right here. This is what it will bring out for you. Simply zoom. If you are using Android or iPhone, this is Android phone, all right? But if you are using laptop, it will be very okay for you, all right? So click on this right here. Now they will ask you to log in using your Gmail, or of course, I'll log in using my Gmail. Okay, so right now, this is where it will bring you. So all you need to do is to zoom and still click on this right here. Okay, so right here, once you come down here, you see this right here. You see character swap, photo animate. By default, it's always on speech to video, all right? So just put it to photo animate. Now, this is where you need to pay attention because any little mistake can ruin everything. Do not leave it in text to speech. Once you leave it here, you'll be seeing audio, all right? But once you put it to photo animate, it will bring out character and video. Remember, even if you put it to the second one, character swap, it will still be the same thing like the normal one which we are using. So even if you don't read, just put it to photo animate and not character swap, all right? So once this is done, the next thing we're gonna do is to go and download our video. Okay, so I'll just go to TikTok and search baby dance AI, all right? This one is looking beautiful. Oh, don't even know which one to choose. More people are using AI. More, this is beautiful. Oh, this is image. I would have loved to. Let me use this image instead of going to ChatGPT to generate my own image. I'll use this one. I love this. It looks beautiful and it's so beautiful. Okay, let me leave it this way in case, or let me take the image first. I love it. This one that looks like easy now, easy. This is beautiful. Let me copy the link. Can I be able to copy the link right here? Okay, let me see. No, I want to copy the, okay, this is the link right here. Then I'll go to save tick and download this video right here, all right? So I want to download this video. While waiting for the video to download, I'll go to ChatGPT right here, click on this plus sign. It will ask me to bring in my photo. Of course, right now, let me bring in my photo. So right now, I just brought my photo into ChatGPT. The next thing I will do, okay, I want you to give me this thing, but now in landscape, that is in 16:9, all right? Retain everything, but you can change the jacket pink, and the baby should be fair and have a very Nigerian hair, all right? Not a curly hair, but this time a Nigerian baby hair. It should be a baby. It should wear a bun short, but you can make it green bun short. Make it, just dress it better than it is right now, but let it still look as beautiful as possible, all right? So with this right now, I'll send to ChatGPT. While waiting for ChatGPT, let me get back to my video generator. Okay, now the video is already on my phone. So now ChatGPT is still getting ready. So let me wait for it to generate. Okay, so all right, so right now they are both generating. So the video is now on my phone and also the image. Of course, ChatGPT must be done right now. Let's check. Okay, the image have been created. So let me see what it created. While waiting for it, let me still go back. I'll click, this character is for the picture that ChatGPT is generating. So for the video, I'll click on video, of course, upload from device, okay? So now I'll import this video into one AI. So this video is not up to 15, but thank goodness it accepted it. But if it's longer, you will have to trim it. But this one, I do not have to trim it, all right? So right now I have imported the video. It's remaining the character, which is in ChatGPT. Let me see. Oh, you see ChatGPT and images these days, just leave it for ChatGPT. It will give you something that I don't even know what to say right now, because ChatGPT, honestly, is doing a very good job. I don't know if this image and that one that I got from TikTok, which one I will have used. Which one do you think is more beautiful? Let me know in the comment section. All right, but I think this one is more beautiful than that one I got from TikTok. So right now everything is set, so I'll go here. I have 0 credits. Oh, I generated just this thing and my credit is already exhausted. I don't have any option. This will take time. Of course it will take time, but I'll click on this and let it generate. Of course I will say yes, I'll confirm and wait for it to generate. This will take time, and while waiting for this, okay, what I'll do now, I'll go to Grok. Okay, here in Grok I'll try animating this video to dance. Okay, so I saw template right here. We'll now compare the two when they are done. All right, okay, so Grok even gave me options. Oh wow, it generated 2 videos. As you can see, they are dancing very well. Let me see if it has. I want to keep the 2 now. They asked me to choose. Oh my goodness, they are asking me to choose. Oh, which one will I choose right now? I want the 2. They are looking so beautiful. Okay, right now choose between this one and these 2. Okay, majority of you all said I should choose the number 2, right? Oh yeah, no, I can hear you from here, so let me just choose the second one and see. This is beautiful. So now I can actually go to TikTok. Let me do that. Let me download. I'll just download here. And I've just downloaded this one. This is the prompt right here. I will select it and copy. Or let me take this one. Let me try creating one myself with Grok. You know the one that I downloaded, right? Beautiful girl. Let's see if Grok. Okay, it failed. Let me paste my prompt and see if it would animate it. It cannot, because it is in this size, or I don't know why it don't want to, animate it. Is there any problem? I don't know. Let me try another image. I don't know why Grok doesn't want to animate that particular lady for me. I'll cancel it. Go back to ChatGPT. Apart from that template right in Grok, let's see if it will also animate it and make it dance naturally, like just prompting it to dance. In the last videos we always use it to make images talk, but in this one, let's see if we can prompt Grok AI to make a baby dance, and if yes, I will still try to make it dance to a particular video. Let me see if I can be able to prompt it to dance the way I want. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, right now my baby is ready and looking so beautiful. Okay, you look so cute and rich. Let me see if I can get the prompt here. Okay, I can still copy this prompt, but I don't think you need it now. You can simply, okay, just let me see what you do. Instead of showing you the prompt, just screenshot it right now. Let me zoom it. Okay, you screenshot this video, screenshot this just the way I did, then go to ChatGPT. You can now tell, you see the way I prompted this one, tell it to give it, even if you want gown, anything you want. Okay, just screenshot it and then take it to ChatGPT. All right, so that is it. Okay, so now in Grok, I will still come here, animate photo, bring in my baby. It will animate. Why is it failing to bring this thing? But it's animating the. Okay, let's use that one that is accepted. Okay, let's use this one. If it will accept it, it accepted it, so let's just use it. Let's just use this one and see how it will animate it. It will animate it, right? Let's just wait.
Hi there, let's go. This is so fun. Wait, hi. Hi there, let's go. This is so fun.
No, this is not what I wanted. So I'll paste this prompt. Okay, build to climax with double arms raised while doing a final big let me animate it with this. Let's see if it will make this baby to dance. And once it does that, I'll still go and bring in another dancing step that I want it to dance. And if Grok can do this, then you can now use one or Grok. All right, I'll still test other tools to see if there are free ways you can do it. But yes, so Grok, wait, let me go to ChatGPT first. Let me bring in another prompt. So as you can see, this is the prompt I copied from the other dancing step, right? So let me get my own prompt here in ChatGPT. Okay, so right now I just prompted Grok and I'll paste the prompt the way it is and send it to Grok. Animate this subject dancing energetically. And okay, so right now I want you to you see between those gaps that is open, close them so that all the prompts will be together. And not just that, put it in a box so I can easily copy. So let's prompt Grok. Let's see if it will dance this thing. If it dances this thing, forget it. Okay, so right now I will remove this prompt and paste my own and then send to Grok. Let's see if Grok can be able to dance another thing. Wow! This is the first one. This is the second one. So you can just take this now, put it in any sound on TikTok and create your baby dancing video. Okay, so right now, let's compare this with that of one. I will show you the one of the one and then put that of the Grok. Tell me in the comment section if you prefer that of one dancing baby video or that of Grok dancing baby video. Now you have to choose the one. So let me know in the comment section which one that you love more. Now let me put the video so you can watch and make your choice. Now you have learned how to do this baby AI dancing video, because I promised to show my students this and they have been in my inbox who says I'm still waiting for this tutorial. So right now, promise fulfilled. Don't forget to thank me in the comment section, and I am success and I wish you success. I will see you soon. Bye.